Okay, so we're talking about what happens if you own a house that's far away. So if you have the ultimate tenant who pays automatically through a service and doesn't ask you for doesn't ask you to fix things, then that's great. And you're getting top dollar for getting well what market rents are, then everything's great. But what happens eventually is that even good tenants turn bad, especially when they think that the landlord's not around. Um, we've had situations where really good tenant got a new boyfriend and he was a drug addict and it became a disaster. We've had situations where a really good tenant um, just went bad financially, wouldn't leave. We've had those problems. So your real options are, sorry, you can sell a house, right, with the tenant in place to a investor cash buyer. You can start the eviction process, hire an attorney to do that for you. You can hire a property management company who will handle all that stuff for you. And by the way, we do property management a little bit. But those are your options. It's hard when you're not close. It's really hard to run rental properties when you're not close if you don't have a professional management company taking care of it. By the way, professional management companies usually take about 10% of the collected rent. So, I mean, simple math. If you're renting a property for $2,500, if you want somebody to manage it for you, you figure it's $250 a month. Um, so a lot of property management companies also rip you off with other things. They're going to upsell you on repairs. So if a faucet's broken, they'll charge you $300 when it costs them $100. That's one way that property management companies make money. We don't do that, and they'll also charge you every time a tenant leaves, which I think is absurd because then it becomes in the management company's best interest for there to be more tenant turnover, and that is not in the landlord's best interest. So those are really your three options the way I see it. If you live far away and you want to manage something that's got tenants in it, you need to either hire a professional management company, you need to either sell it because not deal with it, or you need to do the eviction yourself and really screen tenants well and get a new tenant in there. But even that's hard from far away. So if you need help with any of these issues, we can help you. Even if you don't use us for property management, even if you don't use us, even if you don't sell a house to us, we're here as a resource. Our number is below. So give us a call, and if you need help with dealing with properties from far away, we can really help you with that.